videotape me.
Last I checked, I was aiming it at the floor, honey.
Well, don't aim it up here.
Brother found the ball. What you got? What you do?
I'm trying to fish out baby nipple.
He's trying to eat it. Keeps putting it to his mouth like he's trying to bite it. Yeah, get it.
Don't bite Sissy's ball, Caleb.
Get it, Bubby. Get her ball. Woo! Uh-oh. It's over there by the pillar. Go get the pillow. Oh, you're bucking it too. Ah. Just get up and walk.
Finally, I got it.
Yeah, that helps.
Dang it.
Hey.
What?
Mm-mm.
Come on. Wait.
Busted.
Busted by what? I didn't do nothing. And don't aim that. What happened?
Nope, still aiming it at the floor. Get it, Caleb, get it. Get the
Owen,
ball. Get the ball.
Owen.
Daytime. Nighttime.
Nighttime. Daytime.
Can you get the charger?
Nighttime. Daytime.
Yeah. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where does he go? I know. Oh, here come Bella. What you want? Nope, down. 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 Good girl. Well, yeah, let's not hit the baby. Ah. Plug. You can't eat the ball. Hello. Peekaboo.
Nighttime.
Daytime.
Nighttime.
Daytime.